right, let's start our today's press conference. Friends from the media, good morning. And this is our sixth press conference to give you the updated information regarding COVID-19 prevention and control work here in Yangzhou. We invite Mr. Ding Mingzhe, Deputy Director of Hangzhou District, and also Mr. Wang Jingsong from the Local Health Commission to give you the updated information and answer some of your questions. First, I give the floor to Mr. Wang Jingsong to give you the updated numbers. Residents, friends from the media, good morning. First, let me give you the updated information regarding COVID-19 containment. 0 to 24 o'clock on the 3rd of August, the newly added cases here was 32, including 2 transferred from the asymptomatic carriers to confirmed cases. And no new asymptomatic carriers reported. So far, the accumulated cases, 126, including 43 mild cases, 79 moderate cases, 2 severe cases, and 2 critical cases. So far, we have 1 high-risk region, 44 middle-level risk regions. Based on the epidemiological investigation, we have already traced 5,617 close contacts or secondary close contacts right now all are the quarantine areas, and we have conducted the following work. First, we strict the management of health code with the increasing number of high-level and the middle-level regions. A lot of people with yellow code. Yellow code means limited the movement allowance, and this is actually a very effective way to contain the spread of the virus. And some people maybe just pass by the middle or high-risk regions, but with no contact with people from this region, and they can apply for color change. For the people in Yangzhou, for the yellow to green code change, you need to provide a code certificate, which means 2 NAT tests negative with 24 hours in between these 2 tests, so that you should have this available 3 days before you apply your color code change. And also you need to contact your local community level worker, so they will help you to apply this requirement, and also have 3 outlines available to answer your questions in this regard. The community and the village should go strictly to check all this information and also apply the information of all the appliance to the higher level agencies. And second, regarding TCM, 175 quarantine areas, we have dispatched 35,000 more decoction of TCM, and also the TCM experts also organize to conduct touring treatment, and we also give the knowledge and information to the people in quarantine areas so they can enjoy the decoction in a safer and correct manner. So regarding treatment, the 3rd hospital right now is all empty and with respiratory machine and also the monitoring machines in place. And for the 4th and 6th floor of Building 6, we also modified into the infectious disease required standards wards. And we also had a 33 people from Department of ICU, the respiratory disease and the infectious disease, and also another team of 61 also in this ward, and also have 2 teams of the medical personnel standby. Now the floor is open. People.com.cn. My question regarding the closed down community and how we can make sure that we meet people's daily necessity needs. Regarding the controlled community or closed down community, actually the we organized 20 teams dispatched to these places as of 24 o'clock yesterday. We have finished 90 villages, 55 communities, 274 compounds for a full round of tracking, make sure that the practice of COVID-19 containment implemented. We also mobilized more than 1,000 community level workers, the people from the public security department, volunteers involved in the controlled or the restricted communities. Right now we have 26 lockdown communities with 330 buildings, 1,285 standalone buildings, and we actually bring the daily necessities including meat, fresh fruits, vegetables to their doorstep, and also buy the daily necessities like shampoos for them, and also bring the anti-COVID-19 like masks materials to these people, and also pay special care to the elderly people. And we also set up the COVID-19 station at the entrance and exit of these communities. For the communities in the middle and high-risk places, for each building, we have a special team to manage each building and to trace the close contacts and also to collect the NAT samples. Going forward, we'll intensify our efforts in community level management and also to safeguard or guarantee the needs of people's daily necessity in these lockdown and control areas. For the anti-COVID-19 materials, so we will intensify the supplies. And second, we'll organize volunteer teams by mobilizing all necessary resources. Here I also call for the residents in these areas, please understand and be cooperate with us, and please follow strictly the requirement of stay at home so we can control the movement of population. So we can give the help to the people in the lockdown areas and also protect their safety and health. Xinhua News Agency. Hanjiang District, what kind of measure do you have to guarantee that you meet people's need of their daily necessities? We have done the following three works. First, for the whole supply of daily necessities to the region or to the whole municipality at large, we first issued a entrance card to the people and vehicles. So these vehicles actually with these cards or the green pass, so they can have a unstopped routes to bring the daily necessities to the people in lockdown areas. And so far we have already issued 3,858 cards to the personnel or the companies. And second, regarding the implementation of COVID-19 practice at the large-scale supermarkets, we dispatched 5 teams to conduct 16 large enterprises to check their COVID-19 practice, to look at their ventilation, the cleaning records, the body temperature measuring, and the staff's body health condition. So far, the staff in the supermarkets all hold negative results to COVID. And third, regarding the dynamic change of the supply of daily necessity, we trace the end-to-end supply of daily necessities, make sure that we have the inventory that double the daily sales. So far, we have seen a sufficient supply in the supermarket and with a stable price. The Market Supervision Department also dispatched law enforcement team to check the price and supply, and we hold people accountable for their wrongdoings, such as price gouging, the hoarding, and also producing under standard products. Going forward, we'll also keep a key focus on personnel and materials. So first, we keep a close eye on the health condition of people bringing or delivering all the daily necessities to the city. And we focus on the frequency of NAT to the frontline workers at the supermarket, and also second, regarding their commute channels. That should be safe, and so we can have the sufficient people working on the front line. And third, regarding the trucks bringing the daily necessities to the city, we issued the green card to them, especially the allowance for them to getting on and off the expressway. Regarding the cold chain logistics, that's be our key focus, and we'll also give a special care to the checks conducted at the warehouse. Make sure that the whole process, the whole chain actually could be traceable. The outbreak indeed impacts people's way of life, and also we heard the people's requirements and the needs regarding daily necessities, and there was been heard, and right now we also work on the solutions to give them the satisfied answers. Yangzhou newspaper, a question to Mr. Zhou from Public Security Department. Right now we're in a critical moment. People staying at home feel panic, and they may very easily buy in the false information or fabricated information. What kind of matters do we have? The friends from the media, residents, good morning. Right now we are in a critical battle fighting against COVID-19. The public security in Yangzhou follow the leadership of the provincial government's guidance and have taken the strict and decisive measures to crack down the illegal behaviors amid the COVID-19 outbreak, make sure that the law and order in the society. Recently, indeed, we saw some cases regarding fabricating, spreading the false information. For example, one case, surname Xia, fabricated information and distorted the order of the society. And surname Wang also fabricated wrong information. Let me give you more details. First, on July 31st, 5 p.m., surname Xia, in order to draw people's attention, he fabricated the wrong information on a social media platform, saying that a certain public security office, the all people working inside this office was positive to COVID. And this is the wrong information, and also caused disturb the public order, and also under the administrative punishment. Another case, after we found the first confirmed case on 21st of July, a surname Wang. After he arrived, the surname Mao, because he showed symptoms like a fever, he paid a visit to the hospital and found a positive COVID, and then later on confirmed as a COVID-19 patient. But he didn't actually report his travel history, and also paid the visit to the high condensed, the indoor places like the chest and the poker room or the farmers markets. So he spread the virus, and his behavior went against the laws and regulations, and he also refused to report his travel history to the public security officers, and also he not cooperated in the epidemiological investigation work. His behavior also breached the law and regulations, and right now also brought under administrative punishment. And we also found 2 cases. Utilized internet for people fabricated false information, spreading over the social media platform, disturb the order of the society. So I call for all the residents, please be actively cooperate with the people from the public security department and also people working for the epidemiological investigation. Do not easily buy in the face information. And also we talk about the internet is not a safe line beyond law. If the behavior breaks the law and regulations, the people should be accountable and should be punished by the public security department. And any wrongdoing or illegal behavior, if you found, please call 110, report to the police, or report to your local COVID-19 prevention and control team. The COVID-19 prevention and control, actually, everyone is responsible. And if our friends from media have further questions, you always can contact with our information office. And this is the end of our press conference. Thank you.